Hi, my name is Chris. I'm with Sena Technologies. I am the product specialist, and here I'm presenting the 10C EVO. This is a Bluetooth action camera which you can use to record videos in 4K resolution. You can use it to record videos, talk over the phone, stream music, talk to other riders over the intercom over Bluetooth, and listen to the FM radio. You can communicate with up to 4 other people, and you can record all of that video and all of that audio onto the camera.
Those 4 people, they of course cannot be on a one bike. So you want to tell me that 3 other bikers, if they have the same piece of equipment, they can communicate while they're riding?
Yes. You can record up to all 4 people on one 10C EVO camera. They can be either between 4 bikes, or they can be rider and passenger on 2 different bikes. And it'll record all of that audio over the intercom.
And they can communicate with each other, talking all the time.
Yes.
That's kind of fun, you know.
Yeah.
Put the riding bike gives a whole additional dimension to it.
Right.
Yeah.
So you can capture like all that video. You can take photos while you're filming, and you can capture all the audio from all the other riders that you're talking to at the same time.
Is this piece of equipment the only thing that they need to be able to communicate among each other, or they have to have something additional on top of that?
They can be either using their own 10C EVO or any of our other Sena products that support 4-way intercom or multi-way intercom.
Okay. And how much this 10C EVO unit costs?
The MSRP price for the 10C EVO is $399. We're having a show special here at IMS Long Beach for $299.